guys, welcome back to Love, Laugh, Teach. I'm Nikki, and you guys, this is a big video because this is our last set of pre-primer Dolch words. Woohoo! And I just wanted to tell you guys how much I truly appreciate you guys watching my video, supporting the channel. It means the world to me. I hope that all of these tips and tricks have been a lot of fun. I hope that they've been effective. And I hope that this last set of pre-primer words is just as much fun and effective for your kiddos. So for the word in, for my kiddos who are developmentally ready, that one I just let them sound out. And for my kiddos who are maybe not developmentally there, they're not quite ready to blend yet, they're not able to put those sounds together, I use this trick. I point to the I and I say, I need to color in the N. So I need to color in that N. So it's just a silly way for them to remember the letters, the order that they come in, and the word itself. Now for the word funny, for my babies who are, maybe just beginning their blending journey and they're not quite ready for, these more complicated phonetic rules, I will do this. I will underline the word fun and I will tell them that the word fun is funny. So that's just a silly way, and I will actually do that as a prompt where if they have a difficult time identifying that word, I will underline that word fun. And I may give them the word and I'll say the word fun and they'll remember, oh yeah, the word fun is funny. And then I can slowly kind of, inch myself out and I will underline the word fun. And then that helps them to remember, oh yeah, that's fun. So this is funny. Now for the word away, I also kind of approach this one depending on each individual student. For my students who are not quite ready to blend those more complex words, I will do this. I will kind of make that Y have superhero arms and a superhero cape. And I explain that he likes to fly up, up, and away. And I will use that visual cue and also that arm prompting of going away to help my students remember that word. And again, you can definitely use that prompt like this to help students remember, but then you want students to be able to remember that prompt and to associate, oh yeah, away, the action with the word as well. Now for the words where and here, I always like to show my students that, hey, we have the word here in both words. There's the word here by itself, and we see the word hiding inside this word. So I always say this. Here always likes to play a joke. Where is always searching for him. He'll say, where are you? And here always laughs and says, I'm right here. So we'll do this a few times. We'll say, where are you? Oh, right here. And that is going to wrap up our last list of pre-primer words. We did it, you guys. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.